Is it okay to leave a meniscus tear untreated? Hey, this is Dr. P. Got a problem with your knee? Ask Dr. P. I got asked that question, and we're going to go over that in this video right here.
Discover the emotion of victory in motion. Home of knee repair, not knee replacement.
You know, it depends on what type of meniscus. Meniscus tears are kind of like snowflakes. Snowflake's a snowflake, but there's no two snowflakes that are exactly alike. So the same thing with meniscus tears. It depends on the type of tear. But again, generalities in general. If it is something that is causing mechanical symptoms like locking, your knee's getting stuck in a bent position and you can't straighten it, or it's causing catching, or the knee's giving out because when it catches, it gives you sharp pain. You don't want to fall, or it's causing swelling. And then that is one that probably shouldn't be left alone. If it's a degenerative tear, and it's more wear and tear, and the knee can get better, you can get the swelling down by doing some strengthening, maybe by doing some laser treatments, maybe by doing some regenerative medicine treatments like PRP or bone marrow or stem cells or things like that, and get the knee to remodel on the inside, then those don't always need surgery. So we see a ton of those. We see a lot of degenerative meniscus tears on people who have arthritis, and they don't ever need surgery. We also see a lot of tears in athletes or in younger people, but it doesn't always have to be a younger person. But people who have mechanical symptoms, and if that knee's locking up, probably the only way to fix that is to go in there surgically. No shot is going to magically help that get better. Now, there are some weird instances, which I've actually done a couple social media posts on recently, where you can sometimes have a tear that's unstable, a flap that's flipping back and forth, and then it flips underneath the meniscus and kind of gets stuck there and scars down, and it's not flipping back and forth and getting caught anymore. I've had patients who said, hey, my knee used to lock up all the time and now it doesn't lock anymore. That can happen. The problem with not taking care of that flap that might have flipped underneath, or it might have broke off and got loose, is that it can cause sometimes problems down the road, or it can cause abnormal forces across that meniscus, which can therefore cause abnormal forces on the cartilage on the end of the bone, which is like the tread on a tire, and cause that tread to wear down faster, which is what arthritis is. So not taking proper care of a meniscus tear can still lead to arthritis, even if the quote locking goes away.